Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Oppo A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in gallery on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open our Photos app, and now we have to hold on our photo that we want to hide, for example this one. And right here at the bottom we have a set as private icon that we have to click on. Now we have to turn on private save. We have to set a password. Now here we have a security question. What is the name of one of your teachers? I'm gonna, I don't know, type Anna. Now we have to click done, allow, and then we have to just hold on our photo again and click set as private. And as you can see now, our photo is hidden. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!